Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla. I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. So putting all the efforts and real world concepts and examples, I am going to introducing here to making you master in programming language. This course getting started. Google Bard AI with the help of to learn Python programming language quickly by taking artificial intelligence support. Getting started. Introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to practice all the sessions very well. So learning is an important for programming where you have to concentrate on practice more. How to get help. Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, try at Google search first, and stackoverflow.com is a search techniques where you can get query solutions quickly. Submit your question and asking QA forum for detail what you have tried with the screenshot, the code what you have practiced and what the error you are getting. How to approach the course. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. So what you are seeing in the lecture, according to the concept, the lecture you have to prepare your local code development. It may be local IDE or Google Colab to environment is ready to cloud environment to practice environment is available to write each and every statement and practice, which will help you to make you a real world problem solver. Follow the video guide to extra notebook information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples of part of code, step-by-step logic, how it is implemented and how the modules are used to implement optimization of code writing. Exercise and solution. You will be assigned a simple Python exercise query. How you are going to be asking Google Bard AI tool. This course is giving you and training you to quickly learn using AI tool. So it will be test you how you are getting in a solution and how you are answering. Anyhow, I have shown you the solution how you need to get and execute in your local computer machine. Thanking you.